Buddy.
Do you have a hard out again today?
No, but I got a lot on my plate today.
Oh no, but I got a lot on my
Bro, I'm
plate.
so stressed. It actually hurts a lot right here right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it fucking hurts.
Why are you so stressed, bro?
Oh. Ugh. We were talking about it yesterday too, because do you know who Burner is?
What?
Do you know who Burner is? He's like a rapper, and he was like the guy that created that cookies brand.
Okay.
He got diagnosed with cancer. And he's like, guys, no stress, no stress. My whole life is all stress.
Yeah, you gotta get less stress. Alright, let's play this song. Maybe this will stress you out less.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks.
Oh, welcome back, you beautiful stoners, and welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
Brian, what's up?
And Brian, tell everybody what we're doing here today.
We are bridging gaps, David, between the cannabis, the comedy, the crypto, and the stock games.
Love it. We always like to start off our show by thanking our sponsors. Thank you, GreenPharms and Terp Labs, for sponsoring us. We get high every single day in the stock market because of you. Please go check them out in Mesa and Flagstaff, Arizona. Fun fact, 2 to 4, happy hour, $5 pre-rolls. Go get you some. Brian, who else do we got?
We have Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them. We love them. They're an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. Works on tradingview.com, and it sends very clear buy and short signals. Yeah, it gives confidence to make good trades. Use the link in the description below. They might give you a discount, but they definitely give us some money. Cheat Code Algorithm.
All right, we got the lemon meringue today.
What do you mean we got? Oh yeah, okay. I was gonna say you only gave me lemon meringue.
Well, I guess I don't really say what pre-roll was smoking, so I got to start doing that. So I had a fun night last night.
Yeah, what'd you do?
I went to the OG's edible party.
Oh yeah, you did say you were gonna go to that. That was fun?
Yeah, that was fun. It was right in downtown. It was right across from. It was kind of near you.
Well, why the fuck didn't you invite me? Well, I was kind of near you.
You know what? This was a special invitation, invite only, and so I got gifted a little card with my name on it. Felt fucking special for once. So thank you, OGs. I felt really good. But it was really fun. We had like 200-300 people there. Open bar. They had a couple pre-rolls. There wasn't really anything dabbing, but there was a lot of edibles. I guess the owner of the company passed away, so it was more of like a celebration of life type thing.
Okay.
Which is popping up in my life constantly today.
Glad I didn't crash a funeral yesterday. That would have been awkward.
But we had a really good time, so shout out to OGs. They're going to be at Cannabis November 14th. So we're looking forward to see you. How was your night?
It was good. I got drunk with my mom. We went to the Churchill downtown. And yeah, had some drinks, got a burger. It's a good time. Shout out my mom if she's listening. She apparently got a wild bird, took a wild bird in. Wish she wouldn't do things like that, but here we are.
A wild bird?
Yeah, she was at a hotel in Scottsdale over the weekend when her friends were visiting, and apparently a bird came up to them, and she took that as a sign that she should take the bird home, so she did.
It's so interesting.
Interesting's definitely a way to put it.
All right, birds. I'm not really a bird person, are you?
No.
Yeah.
Birds make awful pets.
Well, hopefully the bird is in a nice home now. It's going to raise it like its own. Now you have a new brother. How do you feel?
You're assuming it's gender, even though his name is Ricardo. My mom's assuming it's gender. She doesn't know.
Oh, that's awesome. All right. What about our fucking DNB 200, baby? How's it looking today?
How is the DNB 200 looking today?
Oh, look at ME. Ticker ME. 23me.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Wow.
Up almost 17% today.
Yeah, that's nice. Bitcoin, 60K.
Oh, it did. 68. It's about to hit 61.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Well, I'm glad I put $500 into the Cash App, into Bitcoin. Glad I did that. Made a quick $20.
Nice.
Woo! Woohoo!
Fuck yeah.
Made $20 off Bitcoin.
That's very nice.
But I'm gonna go back to me real quick. The 23andMe. It's trading at 9.15. We brought this up not that long ago.
Did we?
Yeah, remember it was like last month. Remember it was falling, and I was like, this is something I want to put on my radar. Just kind of like with like UPS we did yesterday.
Uh-huh.
You remember me talking about this?
Yeah, a little bit.
Do you think this is something that I should keep a close eye on since it's starting to climb a little bit?
It's gonna go back down.
Yeah.
Without a doubt.
All right.
Yeah, this could be, I mean, it looks like it makes pretty decent moves, though. This could be similar to a workhorse, if you just play your calls and puts right, you might actually make some decent money.
Yeah, so I checked the workhorse this morning, WKHS ticker. Did not go up yet. Still hovering around.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, workhorse is not soaring. My options went down a little bit because workhorse was just like, nah. But
yeah, I decided not to buy anything yesterday. I'm just I'm still a little butthurt about my fucking hood calls, which do expire in 2 weeks. So it's just like throwing fucking $185 out the window.
Unfortunate. Yeah, I haven't looked at hood in a while. Ooh, that's definitely not what you want to see.
Nope. It has been slowly going down since I bought it.
When did you buy the call?
I bought it probably 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
Actually, no, it could have been a little bit 3 weeks ago because I had at least a month and a half time.
Wow.
And it did not do well.
No.
I thought it was going to recover, and it didn't. I think I bought it, somewhere in the end of September or middle of September. I don't know. All right, what else we got? Anything else we want to talk about? UWMC up 5%.
Yeah, UWMC's been moving the past couple days. As you can see, it was at 638 like 2 days ago. It's up almost a whole dollar.
A spike. That's not a bad spike.
I'm not mad about it. I still have quite a few. Well, I have 60 UWMC shares. I'm down on them for sure, but it is moving back up, which is nice.
It does move. When it moves up fast. Because the last one, it pretty much doubled on its last spike.
Yeah.
And it keeps crashing right back down.
Sure did. Just gotta sell it next time.
Yeah, so this is a mortgage company.
United Wholesale Mortgage.
Yeah, 717. Yeah, we learned firsthand this was supposed to be one of the most anticipated fucking backs there was, and it was a complete bust.
Complete flop.
The DeMarcus Russell of the stock market.
Yep.
What else we got? Nothing else that's really sticking out besides Mar. Everything else is below 5%. What about on the red? What about the opposite? What we got? We got a nice
space. Fucking wow.
I can explain why space went down in a second. I got that in the articles. But let's go fucking jump right into the SPAC IPO merger funding news, bro.
How about you don't tell me what to do?
Whoa!
I'm kidding. Let's see.
What do we got?
First on the SPAC news, Wink is tapping the public markets. The wine company's IPO could be valued at $263 million. Wink, that's W-I-N-C, set terms for its initial public offering, becoming the latest wine company to tap the public equity markets. Wink since said Wednesday that it plans to sell 5 million shares at $14 to $16 each. The Santa Monica, California company will trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker WBEV. Wine bev, bitch!
I feel like we do have some wine company on our DNB 200, and I have no the fuck idea what that ticker is.
No, you just whine about all the companies that lose you money.
Ding.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Boo!
But I think we do have something on the DNB 200 involving wine, but it's clearly not memorable and probably not worth it.
Yeah, probably not.
So wine. If you like wine, WBEV.
My girlfriend likes wine.
I love wine too. Next one. Software tools platform GitLab jumps 35% in trading debut.
Ooh.
Trying to get the ticker up for that.
GTLB.
GTLB. Woo! So, yesterday, GitLab provides collaboration tools used by software developers and competes with Microsoft Corps. And oh man, I fucking completely butchered this one. The offering was led by Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase & Co., and Bank of American Corp. The shares are trading on the NASDAQ under the symbol GTLB. So apparently in this article, when you click it, they were only thinking that the shares are going to be traded around $55, $60. And now it is at fucking 100.
Dang.
Yeah. I don't know if you clicked that or if you read anything about it at all, but
no. Interesting movement on this. I got to pull up the... So they IPO'd yesterday. We missed this one somehow, David. IPO'd at 93, hit 107, crashed back down to 93, back up to 103. It's been quite the roller coaster.
The fucking roller coaster.
Now,
I don't like that.
Of course, if you're an underwriter on this this here ticker, you have tripled your money. Right?
Good for them, huh?
Or no, 50. It said it was going to be $50, so doubled your money.
Yeah, let's look it up right. Yeah, the shares have been marked for $66 to $69, a price target that had been elevated from an earlier range from $50 to $60. Yeah, so fucking $30 above the fucking price target.
Yep, beautiful.
So that's definitely going to come crashing down at some point.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. Fuck do I know?
Nothing.
All right, what's next?
IHS Holding IPO priced at the bottom of the expected range as company raised $378 million. Let's see if we can find this. IHS Holding. IHS. Easy.
Easy.
Yep, not the greatest IPO. Shares of IHS Holding Limited is set to go public Thursday, that's yesterday, as the shares telecommunication infrastructure operator said overnight that its initial public offering priced at $21 a share, at the bottom of the expected range of between $21 and $24 a share. It's now at $17. It's down.
It's down. There's so many fucking software companies coming out lately. I don't even know how to keep track of them all.
You don't.
Yeah, you don't. I guess this doesn't really toot my fancy, but I don't think.
What did you just say?
Toot my fancy.
That's a amalgamation of a couple different things there. It doesn't toot my fancy.
Never heard that expression before?
No, it's not a thing.
Well, I've definitely heard it multiple times.
No, you said it multiple times. Watch, I'm going to Google it. Doesn't
I really don't know
my
how
fancy.
There's got to be a thing.
Tickle my fancy is a thing. Yeah, toot my fancy is definitely not a thing.
It could have been tickle. Yeah, it's probably tickle.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you said toot my fancy. I'm like, you're crossing up tickle my fancy and toot my horn.
You know, I probably am. I fucking probably am. That's actually really funny. All right, next. Draftkings invest in Vivid Seats SPAC, which is pretty fucking interesting.
DK, Donkey Kong.
Yeah, it's the Horizon Acquisition Corp. Brian, what is that ticker? Horizon HZAC. Not sure how that's. Oh, look at that climbed pretty well today, or the last couple of days. Yeah, Draftkings agreed to make an undisclosed investment in Horizon Acquisition Corp, a blank check company expected to begin trading as Vivid Seats next week.
Interesting.
This should go on the list. This should go on the D&B.
This should?
Yeah, this Vivid Seats is that's a big name.
Well, wait till the ticker change.
Okay.
Right?
We're gonna forget though.
Okay, fine. To add it then.
We're gonna add it to the D&B.
Right.
Woo woo!
Are you adding it?
Yeah, I'm gonna add it. HZAC on the watch list.
Cool.
Yeah, up 7% today.
Yep, trading at $12.02.
All right, so that was a mouthful of SPAC IPO merger funding news.
Spacked it up, bitch. Now,
spacked it up.
On to the stock news. The stocks.
Stonks, baby.
Coinbase, COIN. Coinbase's stock heads to best day in over 2 months as BTIG reaffirms bullish call. Crypto prices climb. Crypto exchange Coinbase is seeing its price surge on Thursday as BTIG analyst Mark Palmer reiterated his buy rating for the company and held its price target at $500.
I know.
Unreal. What do
you think?
I mean, I would assume it's not unreasonable, you know?
Well, it's at a point now that if it breaks 290 or I'll say 290ish, it's gonna fucking soar.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe not even that. Maybe 280 maybe 285.
Yeah, I'd say that. I think it would really have to break 300. 300 would be like a big. Sure, breaking 280, 290 would be nice, but 300 is definitely going to be the barrier. Breaks 300, see you later.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
280 to 300, and that it's going to go shoot up. You're probably gonna double your profit.
Maybe.
Yeah, good for you. All right, Coinbase. Next, we got the little space news. Why fucking space shit the bed, down 15% today.
Boom.
So Virgin Galactic stock is tumbling because commercial flights won't happen until well into next year, which does not sound fucking good.
Nah.
The company now says it will conduct an enhancement program before resuming test flights.
What's that mean?
I don't know. You tell me.
What do you mean? You tell me. You tell me.
I don't fucking know.
Interesting.
So that's kind of crazy. It should be kind of concerning. Remember they had to delay a couple flights not that long ago, a month or two ago.
Uh-huh.
And that was the original. So if we go SPCE.
Trading at $20.40. It is down.
It is down. As not Sean Kingston. What's the other one that says it goes like the down, 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 down?
Yeah.
Down. Oh, Derulo, Jason Derulo.
Yeah.
Yep, that's with Lil Wayne. Stupid. I don't know how my brain works like that.
Yeah.
All right. Brian, what's next?
Big banks warn that Fed-induced market volatility is coming soon. Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Market volatility has dipped since September, but the nation's top bankers are warning that choppiness could be coming back soon, thanks to the Federal Reserve. In earnings calls this week, executives at the largest United States bank said price swings could be back as the central bank attempts to slow and then reverse its easy money policies launched last year to insulate the economy from the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic.
What do you think?
Buy UVixy. But
what is that? Yeah.
By calls, or if you guys don't remember, UVixy, UVXY is the short-term volatility index. Oh boy, fuck me. Oh yeah, wow.
Bro, so I have the VIX up right now too, and it's at a low point. Mm-hmm. And if you can just go back the last couple months, whenever it hits this fucking low, bad things are about to fucking happen.
Okay, that's just not true.
Yes, it is. Look at it. So at the beginning of September, it climbed. Then let's go back before that. Look at the mid August, climbed, came right back down. Same thing with July.
It's all. I mean, it's just been going down. Yeah,
it's going up. It's from $16 to $28 constantly, once a month. Look at that. It's like clockwork.
Are we looking at the same thing?
Yeah, the VIX at the 1 hour.
UVXY?
Oh, no, I have VIX, VIX.
Yeah, you can't trade VIX. You got to trade UVXY.
My bad. UVXY, what is that right now? It's pretty much the same thing. No, it's not. No. I take that all back.
No. But a spike would mean that there'd be an increase in volatility. And if it spikes, then you just buy puts. That's the whole thing with UVixy. Like, Frank the other day was like a week ago, he was saying 23.5 puts. You would have bought so much, you would have had so much fucking money. There's $6 in the money right now.
Because look at it. All right, so if you go back until, let's start at the beginning of the year, right? From when that originally fell. Look, it's just been going down. Do you think it's starting to consolidate a little bit?
You don't understand how UVixy works. Even though you've been told like 6 times.
It's the volatility. I understand.
Yeah, but it doesn't it won't consolidate. If anything, like it'll keep dropping to 0, it doesn't consolidate.
Bro, it's just, like I'm just going back to mid 2000. I mean, mid 2020.
Uh-huh.
Holy fucking shit, bro.
It reverse split, and then it went up there.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what Frank was saying. It's reverse. It's gone to 0 and reverse split, like, I think he said like 11 times or something. So,
all right. Well, okay. Yeah. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Wow. Good to know. I didn't know that.
Yeah, Uvixi is one that you, if the market's being super volatile, look for it to spike and then buy puts. Easy money.
Yeah. So buy puts when it's fucking spiking. When the stock is soaring. Boom.
Boom.
Next. Remember when we talked about fucking Johnson & Johnson, about the baby powder?
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Yeah, a little bit.
So, I don't know, it had to been like this time, maybe last year, that 20 women ended up getting cancer from J&J's baby powder. So J&J are in the news again about this fucking talc injury, this baby powder that is causing all these people or women cancer. So Johnson & Johnson is turning to bankruptcy court in a controversial attempt to resolve billions of dollars in legal liabilities tied to its talc products, placing a new subsidiary holding that the claims into Chapter 11 protection. So when I was reading this article, what it was saying that a lot of these big companies are doing when they're getting sued is that I don't know if it's just Texas or not, but Johnson & Johnson is based in Texas. In Texas, there's the rule. So like, say if you are getting sued, you are able to split your company into two. And so what they're doing is like they're just splitting off a part of J&J and just filing for that for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And so they're going to get, instead of paying all these giant fees that they're going to have to pay out, they're only going to pay like a small portion of like this $10 billion.
Yeah,
it's just wild.
It's so scummy, and that's how corporations are gigantic scum buckets. We all know that. It just hurts to hear the shit. It's like you cause cancer in fucking 35,000 people, and what do? You make a shell company and file bankruptcy. Give them all a bottle of Johnson & Johnson that doesn't have talcum in it.
It's fucking wild.
Oh, it's crazy.
So they split off another side called LTL Management LLC, which filed for bankruptcy in Charlotte, North Carolina on Thursday, listed as much as $10 billion of assets and up to $10 billion liabilities, according to court documents. Johnson & Johnson itself did not file for bankruptcy split. And then right here, Johnson & Johnson is fighting nearly 35,000 lawsuits, blaming its iconic baby powder and other talc products for causing cancer, according to July securities filing. The number of suits increased 28% from last year, and the company said that it's filing new lawsuits every day.
Wild. Yep. And they will get away with it and not have any real repercussions.
J&J shot. That's what they say. All right, so let's look at J&J. That's fucking mind-blowing.
J&J.
I hope it's fucking crashing.
It's down, but I wouldn't say it's crashing.
No, it's not crashing. Lose money. Fuck you, Johnson & Johnson.
Fuck you, Johnson & Johnson. I won't even buy your Band-Aids anymore. Store brand or bust.
Awful. All right, so that was the stock news today. Sorry for leaving it off on a bad touch, but we do got some crypto news.
Got some crypto news. Fun fact about this next one. NUcypher soars 1,134% in a single day as the altcoin touches $2 billion market valuation. The surge made NUcypher the 79th largest cryptocurrency, according to CoinMarketCap. But I think right as the show was started, we were talking about it. I made a cool $200 on NUcypher this morning. I looked at it yesterday. Dude, it was trading at 29 cents. I had like $44 worth of it in my Coinbase Pro account. And then I'm up late last night playing video games. Anthony LaCappa, a.k.a. Twan Murder, we're chatting. And he goes, "Did you hear about BooCypher? B-U?" And I'm like, what the fuck is BooCypher? And he's just like, I'm like, do you mean NUcypher? And then I looked at it and I was like, oh, dang. It was up to like $1 or whatever. It's like
I saw it go up to I think it went up to 350.
It depends on what exchange you have it. Like you look at, like if you go on Coinbase, Coinbase is saying its peak was $1.80. Let me double check on that.
Yeah, 'cause that's fucking awesome. Good for you. Yeah. So now it's the 79th largest cryptocurrency.
I think it's a pump and dump. I don't think it's sustainable. That's why I sold my shit. I kept like $50 of it in my Coinbase Pro account, but I took $200, turned that into US dollar coins, and then I sent that right into my savings account.
And that's the part. And since you took it out of the account, that you get taxed for that.
What's that?
You get taxed for that, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you do.
Coinbase calls for new regulatory and framework for the crypto sector.
Gross.
I think this is. I think it's necessary. I can only imagine spending. Say if you hit it off, like say if you had $1,000 into NUcypher, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you come back with 40 grand, and you have to pay 40% of taxes off that shit. Dude, that's so wild to me.
That is a lot.
It's a lot. So Coinbase is calling for vast changes in how the crypto sector is regulated. On Thursday, the company released a digital asset proposal in which its chief policy officer, Faryar Shahzad, God, I'm so bad, calls for cryptocurrencies and other digital assets to be regulated under a separate legal framework by a single federal agency. Furthermore, the proposal calls for separate disclosure requirements on particular digital assets, such as stable coins. The proposal comes a month after Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong voiced objections on Twitter in response to the SEC's decision to block its lending product, which the lending product was that you'll be able to earn interest off your coins.
Yes.
They were like, no. Which, fuck you.
Yeah. Yeah,
then,
the crypto sector definitely needs changes in the way it's regulated. They're trying to regulate it in a way that's just not made for it, you know?
It's not.
Yeah.
And then you got one more. You posted this in the Discord today.
This one is so silly. I love it. Canadian city becomes the first city to heat buildings through Bitcoin mining. North Vancouver announced Thursday it would become the world's first city to be heated almost entirely by Bitcoin mining, an innovative way to tackle climate change by creating valuable cryptocurrency coins and usable thermal energy at the same time.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, good for you. Good for them.
They're working with a company called Mint Green, and they use digital boilers which recover more than 96% of the electricity used for Bitcoin mining in the form of heat energy. And then they use that to heat buildings, apparently. So,
wow.
Pretty cool. We're in the future.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
That's how you fucking do it.
That is how you do it.
And before we end the show, did you make any plays yesterday?
Just NUcypher. Nice play. Yeah.
Nice play. Good job. Good for you. And then, as of right now, do you have anything in play besides your workhorse call?
I have a workhorse call and a CGC put.
Oh yeah, how's that doing?
It's down.
Let's look at the marijuana things real quick. CGC.
Yeah, I just noted the open interest in them is 6. I have 1, so clearly there's some guy or girl that has the other 5, and they've been like playing with the price to try to get, I don't know, me maybe to buy more, or at least people to buy more. But like yesterday I went to bed and it was like, this thing's worth $90. I'm like, it's not worth $90. You know what I mean? Like the bid on it was fucking 11 cents. The ask was $1.80 because somebody, the other person set their 5 to $1.80, and it's like, oh, stop it. Leave us alone.
That's so funny. I haven't made anything at all either. Still holding some of my Doge. I kind of want that to go up like 20 more cents, and then I'll be fucking playing a lot more.
Just 20 more cents to go, baby.
More fucking cents to go. But we love you. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, subscribe to the videos in our Discord. Stoners sending gifts, making money. We love you. Definitely check us out next Saturday at Digital Haze. Fucking weed events. We throw fucking weed events. Club Endgame, Mesa, Arizona. Tickets at TrapCultureAZ.com.
Check it out. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Have a good weekend. If you're trying to make trades, don't. It's Friday. Don't do that shit.
Don't do it.
We will
see you Monday.
See you on Monday.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on